The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is officially back, and this time it's not just a tribute to the past. It's a bold reinvention of one of the most beautiful coupes ever created. Volkswagen has taken the timeless charm of the original Karmann Ghia and combined it with modern technology, next-generation performance, and futuristic design. The result is a stunning automotive masterpiece that feels like a perfect blend of classic heritage and forward-thinking innovation. One look at the exterior and you immediately understand why this car turns heads. The new Karmann Ghia keeps the iconic low-slung, flowing silhouette that made the original legendary, but now it's sharper, wider, and far more aggressive. Sleek LED lighting signatures outline the body, while the floating roof design adds a dramatic and aerodynamic profile. The front fascia features a minimalist grille, sculpted hood lines, and a full-width digital light bar that gives the car a high-tech, concept car appearance. The wider stance, muscular rear shoulders, and bold 20-inch alloy wheels create a perfect balance between elegance and performance. Carefully placed chrome accents pay homage to the classic model without feeling outdated, while subtle retro-inspired badges on the fenders remind you that this legend has truly been reborn. Beneath that beautiful exterior lies a performance setup that completely transforms what the Karmann Ghia represents. Unlike the original, which focused more on style than speed, the 2026 model delivers serious power. Volkswagen is expected to offer two exciting powertrain options. The first is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 300 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and a sporty driving character. The second option is a fully electric version featuring dual motors that generate up to 400 horsepower with instant torque and silent yet explosive acceleration. The electric variant is projected to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, placing it firmly in modern sports car territory. With adaptive suspension, precise steering, and optimized weight distribution, this isn't just a stylish coupe, it's a true driver's machine. Step inside and the cabin continues to impress. Volkswagen has blended retro design cues with ultramodern luxury in a way that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The minimalist dashboard is wrapped in premium leather, while digital displays are seamlessly integrated into vintage-inspired shapes. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty edge, and premium materials like brushed aluminum, piano black surfaces, and contrast stitching elevate the interior atmosphere. Ambient lighting adapts to different driving modes, transforming the cabin from relaxed cruising comfort to aggressive performance vibes. At the center of the interior sits a massive 15-inch floating touchscreen with haptic feedback and Volkswagen's latest AI-powered infotainment system. It supports voice commands, over-the-air software updates, wireless smartphone integration, and personalized driver profiles. And for fans of classic design, Volkswagen even added a retro-style analog clock above the central air vents, proving that modern tech and timeless style can coexist beautifully. Despite its sporty coupe profile, the new Karmann Ghia remains surprisingly practical. There's usable trunk space, smart storage compartments, and a foldable rear seat that adds extra cargo flexibility. It's not designed to be a family car, but it offers far more everyday usability than its sleek appearance suggests. Safety is another area where Volkswagen didn't hold back. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, and even automated parking assistance. Now let's talk pricing. Volkswagen aims to position the Karmann Ghia as a premium yet attainable performance coupe. The gasoline-powered version is expected to start around $45,000, while the fully electric model could range between $55,000 and $60,000, depending on configuration and customization options. For a car that combines heritage design, cutting-edge technology, and modern performance, that pricing makes it extremely appealing. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a comeback. It's a bold statement, a fusion of timeless beauty and future-ready engineering that proves legends don't fade away. They evolve, adapt, and return stronger than ever. This is more than a revival. This is the rebirth of an icon.